What is that?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Yeah. Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Is it big?
Yeah. Yeah.
You gonna eat it?
Yeah.
It's not ready.
Hey. Hey.
Is it big? What else is there? What else is there, bud? What about right here? What's right here?
Hey. Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. It's a cucumber.
Careful.
What's in here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
What's that?
This.
Oh, what is it?
This.
Squash? Oh, don't pick it. Just look. It's not ready yet.
Look.
Yeah, look, there's more back here. Look at them all.
This.
Yeah, squash.
Mama.
You want it?
Want
We'll be eating it soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A pepper.
Oh, a pepper.
Pepper. Pepper. Pepper.
Don't pick it. Don't pick it. Not yet. It's not ready.
Look.
Look. Just look. Good.
Daddy.
It's not ready. Pepper. Don't touch. Don't pick it. Just look. Jack, what about these? What's in here?
Yeah.
What's this?
It's this. It's this.
What is that?
It's that.
It's a tomato.
What's that?
Is that a tomato? Look, there's lots of tomatoes. Can you find any more? Lots of tomatoes. What do you find? You find some?
It's this. It's this.
What's that? Some more tomatoes?
Touch.
Look at the lettuce. Turn around. Look at the lettuce.
What is this?
Lettuce. Right here. See?
What is this?
It's lettuce.
What is this?
Lettuce.
What is this?